Welcome to Steampunk Tuesday. I'm Ian. Yes, it is me. I've got rid of my beard and by golly it's cold. And this is Mike.
Hi.
We have a great project to share with you today. It is a new journal, brand new. It is a Beekeeper's journal.
It's a big, thick old beast of a book as well, isn't it?
It is indeed.
So a little bit of background on this one is about a year or so ago, I created a Beekeeper's Handbook for a commission for a lady in the United States. And I'd never done another one. So I found some really nice fabric with a bee pattern on it. I thought, oh, I'll do another one. So I started it. I created the covers, I created some of the ephemera, didn't get as far as doing any of the signatures. And then I kind of lost track, other things. Life got in the way. And then I said to Ian, after I'd rediscovered the cover, do you want to finish it? And he went, yes, please. So I handed everything over. So everything that I'd created up to that point, I just handed over to Ian and went, there you go, make it your own, which he's done.
I have.
So shall we show them what you've created?
Well, they're here now, so they might as well.
Yes.
Okay.
We've got nothing else better to do.
No, let's have a look then. And this is a lovely Buzzy Bee cover.
Yes. This is that beautiful fabric that I found. It's a kind of, well, the description is beige. I know, doesn't really do it justice.
No, it doesn't.
It's a really nice textural fabric. And I love the fact that you can see the weave. And the bees are just printed over the top without a background colour, if you like.
They look great.
I just loved the fabric so much. I bought it and I kept it on stock for ages until because I knew I was going to do another one.
Yeah.
And then, you know,
Voila.
I only got so far with it. So
I've taken it over.
But isn't it beautiful? I love that fabric. Absolutely adore that
So
fabric.
this is the weighty tome in the question. It has a book plate on the spine with the crown and the bee.
Yes.
Plus we have some beautiful metal corners to protect it.
Yes.
So
I like the corners because they look like little bee stings.
yes, that's somebody's come up.
Hello, Mr. Bentley. Come on in then.
Okay, it's ready, big reveal. Da, 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 da. There we
Oh
are.
yes.
So we have the inside front, Beekeeper's journal with the honeycomb.
Yep.
With a little pocket there with all the different sorts of bees on it.
Yes.
We open up there and we have a little pocket, mini pocket there.
On the inside, can we just explain what we actually call this? We call this the tray.
The tray.
The tray is what the signatures are stitched into, and then the tray is secured to the inside of the journal.
That's right, yeah. So you have a tray there. So that's the tray there. There. That's the tray.
Yeah.
That's the tray.
It's almost like a cover within a cover.
Yeah, it is. And on that one we've got a little pocket there, some little cards in.
Again, the double-sided.
Double-sided, so you can write on all the sides.
Yep.
There is the beekeeping obvious bees there, but we've also got the bees on the flowers.
Yes.
And these are all the flowers that the bees like. Busy, busy little bees.
You did some research, didn't you?
I did.
About what flowers bees like the most.
Yeah.
So in the journal, it's just the flowers that the bees like the most.
Yeah. So we have the first page, which has got the honeycomb. It's got the gaillardias, and bees love gaillardias. The True Taste of Nature, with again a little journaling card. The journaling cards are a really good weight-up card.
Yes.
You can write on both sides.
Yeah, and that one features all the different types of bee. I think they're native to North America. Looking at some of the names, you've got Pennsylvanicus down there, and there's also another one, which I think it's got a name of.
I can't remember. They're all Virginica.
Yeah, there you go.
Telopica virginica. Be the best you can. I know it's a pun, but
well, there's a few little tongue-in-cheeky.
Yeah.
I like the knocked back honeycomb that you've got, but you've still got lines. I don't know whether the camera's picking it up, but you've still got lines
yes, you can
to write
see it,
on.
Yeah, you've still got the lines there to write on. But
Yeah.
they're nice.
I think it's really nice and subtle.
Nature's Best Friend. That's beautiful. It's a Victorian woodcut. It's a grid page.
There's a couple of those in there, isn't there?
The Taste of Sunshine.
Yeah. What's this at the bottom?
Nature's Best
Nature's
Friend.
Best Friend again.
The Taste of Sunshine.
It's because honey is.
It
honey
is.
the taste of
It
sunshine.
is. Plant flowers for the bees, and we've got the lilac there. The bees love the lilac.
Absolutely.
Then we have Be a Dreamer.
Of dreams.
Of dreams.
Was that my original tag
It's
design?
one of your original tags, yeah.
Actually, so this is probably the first journal that we've both worked on
Yeah.
in some way.
Yes, it is, yeah.
Yeah.
Caring for Your Bees by Dora Lestrange, 1887. I just love the name.
Great name. You've made these
I've
names
made
up,
these
haven't
names up, of course, yes. Anybody living or otherwise is purely coincidental. Then we have Always Wear the Correct Clothing, Clothing House for the Beehive.
you? Yep.
I love the little bees that are floating around on these.
Yeah.
Then we have a crown, because obviously it's royal.
Yep. Queen bee.
Queen bee there, with another little area to write in there that's got lines on it. Make Your Friends the Bees. That's got snapdragons on it because bees love snapdragons. Then we have the busy little bees. There are different cards going through with the different flowers on.
Yeah. But again, they're all double-sided, opened.
Yeah.
So that you can write in.
And they're all distressed with, believe it or not, the colour is Tim Holt's Wild Honey.
Of course, it had to be.
It had to be, didn't it?
Yes.
So all the pockets, everything is distressed with that. Then we get to the middle, and we've got the
beautiful double-page spread.
What are they called?
Camellias.
The squirrels used to eat all ours in the garden.
They did when we had squirrels.
Yes.
Fed a garden.
In the garden. We got a garden there.
Yeah, just no plants in
With
it.
the camellias there again.
I love these little cards.
As it goes through, you've got loads of places to write.
Yeah.
Can you give us the figures for this, Mike, please?
Yes, of course. There are corner pockets.
Which are...
Corner tucks.
Corner tuck spots, which are these?
So, throughout the entire journal, there are 22
Yep.
corner tuck spots.
Give me the figures for the cards, please, Mike. The double-sided cards I
The
can write on.
journaling cards, there are, throughout the journal, there are 24.
24 of those. And while we're at it, Mike, can we have... Hang on, let me just have a look, find it. Can we have figures for the tags, please?
Certainly. There are 2 per signature, which means that there are 10 journaling tags, and also 10 of the 4x4 pockets. 2 per signature.
Which you can pop any stuff you want to tuck in there.
Yeah, so combined pockets and journaling square, or journaling
Cards.
there are 66.
And how many pages? 200.
200. It's a 200-page journal.
So we have that. That's the Practical Beekeeping for Beginners. Love these. These are some of Mike's pockets. We've done it between us.
The corner pockets that I did, I designed them so that they could be done either left or right.
You did. I'm just a bit more pernickety and I make mine left or right. Be a Dreamer again there. We've got
Yeah, the Dreamer of Dreams.
a slightly different pocket, but it all lends itself to the theme, the grand scheme of beekeeping.
Yes.
They're pretty. Again, it's a very floral theme as well, so if you like gardening and like florals, it's perfect. But beekeeping is the overriding theme of this journal.
Yes.
And of course the pages have been dried in the oven, wet and dried.
Yes, so again, it's that parchment paper, 160 GSM parchment paper. I don't know what the poundage is for American.
I don't either.
But I'm sure it's thicker than ordinary printer paper.
Yeah,
so
it's a lot thicker.
Yeah, but so they've been wet and then oven dried, so they've got that lovely crinkly, wrinkly kind of feel to them.
A lovely texture.
Yeah.
Famous bees in history.
I love that. Famous bees in history.
Yeah, go through again. So we've got different pockets. The pocket theme runs through, but there are different cards and all sorts of different things. I mean, it's just so voluminous.
Yes, and it smells wondrous.
Oh, it does, yeah.
It smells lovely.
Yeah. Beekeeping for Beginners by Havisham Winthrop III.
Yes. What's on that tag?
That's Be Brave.
Be brave of heart. Yes.
A little bit of little red, little black.
Well, it had to be
ribbon
black,
tag.
didn't it?
Yeah, black or yellow, but yellow's a bit gauche. There we go. We go through. We got clothing. We've got the clothing again there. Be a Dreamer. I particularly love
the woodcut.
The woodcut there. It's an ex libris.
It was an ex libris.
It was an ex libris plate.
It's been reappropriated.
It has, yeah. I think it's Victorian by the look of it. Love that. Love that. And the little bees flying around all over the place. It's certainly a weighty tome, but I just love the feel. It feels precious.
It does, and the texture of the fabric on the front, I think is really nice.
Oh, the texture
feels
beautiful.
Lovely. So it's not a smooth journal like some when we use the proper book cloth, book cloth, or as it's known elsewhere, European book cloth.
Yeah.
Because that's kind of smooth.
It is. Well, if you listen.
Yeah. It's got that real
it's a
kind
weave.
of... Yeah.
It's a cotton.
Yeah. It's a beautiful, and it just feels nice to hold.
I mean,
It's not a slippery book, is it?
no, not at all.
No.
Getting the Most Out of Your House by Nigel Delaney, 1899, another made-up book.
Fabulous.
Then we come to the back, and we've still got the big B there, and we have little cards tucked into that pocket.
Yep.
And at the back, you've got, of course, got the Verne Industries Studio bookmark on the book plate on the back.
Yes.
And then
And there's your
cover.
back. But there's no closure on it because people like different closures. People like elasticated, or people like to put ribbons on, or they like sari silk.
I call it safari silk, don't
Safari silk, yeah. So there is a facility there for you to add your own if you want to.
We'll ship it with a rubber band or a rubber thing around it to keep it.
Yeah, some nice
keep
elastic.
it nice
around
elastic
it.
closed. But yeah, it's a very weighty tome. I mean, look at that.
Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. And this will be on your website.
On the Verne Industries
now.
website
Okay,
now.
so
yeah.
we'll put the link on the screen now, but there is a clickable link directly to it on in the description area below. So shall we take a little time just to talk about the DigiKit?
Yes, yes indeed.
Okay, so because we kind of featured this journal while it was still being made
On the vlog.
in the vlog, we've had a few comments already about the DigiKit and people expressing an interest in either the journal or a digi download of the ephemera and the signatures.
Yes.
So we already know the demand is there. So
Yes.
I can hear you at home going, I want. So don't worry, you'll get. Just give us a little bit of time because we're going to need to create two different sets. One obviously for European and A4 sized paper,
And one for.
and one for US sized 8.5 by 11.
Yeah.
We are currently up to our armpits and ears in decorating and painting,
We are.
so it will take us just a little bit of time to be able to put the DigiKit together. But never fear, we will feature it in another video when it's ready.
Yes.
But next week
Yes.
you have another journal share, don't you?
What week are we on next week? Is it the end of the month?
It will be. What date is it today? It's the 20th today, isn't it? So 27th is the last week in October.
Right.
So yes, that will be Victoria's.
Yes, that, or it may be the jewel robbery.
Okay, so next week there's another one. So probably the DigiKit will be coming to you probably the first week in November.
It will. I have I'm working on a journal at the moment. It's a personalised journal. It's a large journal, but not as big as this.
No.
It's a little bit thinner, but it features yourself in the role of somebody who's been robbed of their jewels in Victorian England, and you find out who the murderer is by who the thief is by going through the journal.
It's kind of like an interactive crime journal, isn't it?
Yeah, you don't know who's done it until you get to the end.
But it's personalised, so if you purchase it, you will be featured in the book itself.
Yes, you will.
We'll show you.
It's a humdinger, I must tell you.
It's taken Ian quite a long time to do it. It was an idea that he had, but we'll talk about it a bit closer in.
Yes.
But anyway, so there is another journal to come, a commissioned journal.
Yes.
Another flip for that one. So
We've got lots happening.
there's a lot to come. There is definitely a lot to come. So, but for the time being, this is on Ian's website, like we said. There's a clickable link in the description area. But I'm falling over my own teeth here.
That's because you didn't sleep well last night. The dog kept him awake.
I didn't sleep very well last night, no. But I'm trying to stay awake now.
He is. So thank you for watching. That's it for today.
So don't forget, if you've enjoyed this little flip through, please give the video a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel already, you
Please
can do
feel
so
free.
by clicking the button at the end of the video. That's all from us for now. We will see you all again very, very soon.
Bye for now.
I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.